Hello, I'm Shani and welcome to our channel. And we are now in Nanluo Guxiang area. And today we're gonna see a house that has your own courtyard and your own door. You don't have to walk in the deep Hutong lands. And we can see this is very spacious, quite big a yard. And there is the sink, and it's quite big. You can feed fish inside, and you can plant some flowers here. And up there is our rooftop terrace. And enter this door, it is our living room. Here is you can make it as your own office at home. And there is a big wooden table, which is nice. And the sofa is quite big. It has 3 meters wide. And the lamp and the bar table is very big. An open kitchen. And this is our bathroom, the washing machine, and the automatic toilet, and the shower cabin. It has a door. And now let's have a look at the bedroom. Here is our bedroom. There is a bathroom also, and the toilet is also automatic. Shower cabin inside, and these are closets. And these are the windows that you can see the yard. It has a nice view. And now let's go up, take a look on the rooftop terrace. So now we are on the rooftop terrace. We can see these are all Hutong houses. You can see the roof. It has very beautiful view, and you can even see the drum tower from this distance. And also the sunset. You can see the sunset over there. It's very nice view. And you can see the yard, overlook the yard. So this house, the price is around 30,000 RMB. And if you are interested in this house, welcome to leave comments or send me the private message. So that's it all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.